weapon. Wait for our academic comeback this sem.
Let's go.
We're filming a fit check.
Ayun, may sarili-sarili tayong buhay. Oh!
Can you say hi to the video? To the vlog. Ano ba yan? Nagpa-pout pa.
Hello!
Go open mo na.
Uy, ganun kasi.
Ay, pre, paano? Tulong.
Ikaw nga.
Ano?
I-open my
What the fuck? Say hi guys. Happy lunch.
Well,
What's your ulam?
caldereta, budget version.
Okay, how much yan? How much? What's your ulam?
Sizzling sisig, pork sisig.
For how much?
100 pesos only.
Okay, same. I got pork sisig. Ulitin na.
Ito naman, kahit sinong matangkad, kahit pangit, gwapo na agad.
We're on the way to eat Yapu. So, what you got? Guys, where are we?
Yapu.
Yes, we're at Yapu for Vacant. And we'll see. Uy, baka ibigay mo kay Kuya. Uy, baka laptop ko yan pala. Bibigay mo kay Kuya laptop ko. Ano ba dapat dalawa?
Asa nakawet ka?
Asa nakawet ako?
Benchi. Rosso Manini.
Come on. Ano si Rosso?
Chicken Manini.
Chicken. 180.
Cute.
Look at this girl. She needed to go out.
Say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Wow. Nonchalant.
Do you drive to school?
You drive to school? Ito yung para sa
Wow.
mga daming complaints.
She's a
Really? Oh, what am I gonna do? Ano ba yun dyan?
So basically,
Okay.
so
Basta,
Basahin nyo na lang.
what's that?
are you tired of the hassle of finding parking on campus?
Gosh, it's so traffic. U-turn pa ako there. So, ewan. Let's see. Let's hope for the best. I hope it's not so bad. May kwento ako kayo. Okay, ayun nga. Tapos, sobrang lakas ng tawag dito. Ang bilis naman check ko. 5 minutes yan. Ma, ako pa tinanong mo! Ay, hindi ka remember. Hindi, gusto niya i-share yung sa kanya. Guys, this is Vita. Hey, guys! Oo, yan yung sasabi ko. Tapos, ayun nga, parang sinabi niya, hindi ko alam kung saan siya nakatingin, pero he was looking at me, pero lumilin siya sa likod. So sabi ko, ako ba siya tingnan nito or whatever? Tapos hindi ko masagot ko, parang nagkakaroon ka lang? I was not making eye contact, nagkakaroon na lang ako.
Hindi mo nasagot.
Yeah, hindi kasi
Lumipad ba siya iba?
I'm not sure kasi kung ako talaga. And he's just looking at me, so he looked at my back, he looked at me, and he read my back, so hindi ko alam.
He didn't say your name.
Yeah, I did. Tapos ano nga, so second, parang he was saying something, tapos hindi ko mag-get, so I was listening. Sabi ko, sir, can you repeat that? Exacto, nag-CR ko. Sir, can you repeat that? Sabi niya, no, yan kasi kanina pa kayo kwentuhan. Di mo diba?
We were talking about the item. Maingay ba kayo?
Hindi naman, pero narinig daw yung
Kasi,
pero sabi namin ni Ella, kanina pa daw pala kami tinitingnan ni Sir. Like, hindi lang namin
napapansin. Wala kayo spatial awareness mo. Ay, hindi naman. Kasi nga, in the zone kami, gusto namin malaman paano
it's so dramatic, guys.
Tell me something I